Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share a home update with you guys that completely transformed my living room. I was so lucky to partner with TWOPAGES to elevate my living room with their Liz linen pinch pleat curtains. And let me tell you, it's a total game changer. I was on the hunt for some high quality customizable drapes, and I say customizable because we have 12-foot ceilings and it was so difficult to try to find the perfect size. I was also looking for something to match the organic, modern, neutral, cozy vibes we were going with, and TWOPAGES completely delivered. These drapes were made from a linen blend that feel really luxurious but also super lightweight, and the light khaki shade is a perfect warm neutral to complement the space. TWOPAGES offers completely customizable options on their website and on their Amazon. So I was able to pick the exact width, the length, the pinch pleat style to match this triple sliding door that's absolutely massive. TWOPAGES included these little plastic hooks that are adjustable, and you can do very minor adjustments to the heights with these clips. Now, we did try to put them on rods and they were pretty heavy because of the length and the number of panels that I got. So we did switch to this track system and it was able to hold all that weight. Shout out to hubby for making this happen. Another part that's completely customizable that I absolutely love is the lining. So you're able to pick how much shading you want in your lining, from 10% all the way to 100% blackout lining. I did end up going with the 70% shading because I still wanted a little bit of natural light to come in during the day, but it still darkens it enough for just a cozy movie night, watching TV. It's perfect. The difference is day and night. These curtains add so much elegance, so much warmth to the space, and it definitely feels more cohesive and refined. So if you're looking to customize your space with like really high quality, fully customizable drapes, I cannot recommend TWOPAGES enough. I'll leave the details, including the exact style and size that I chose, down in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some more home decor and home styling inspo, and I'll see you in the next one.